welcome back to a new video here. Well, again, not a new video, it's a new series. You guys haven't seen Trader Town yet. I think my buddy here is the first one. Well, actually no, I was the first one to see it. Mac, have you watched that video all the way through yet? Well, so Mac was the second watcher because I was the first, because I was the one that technically made it, so I was kind of first. Mac was second, you guys are going to be next.
Enemy soldiers! Other Indians have done this bad thing you accused.
So playing, what's this called again, Mac? I actually forgot the name. Slaying Simulator, there we go. What's their assassin doing there? Well, basically, guys, what you do is, you basically start there, kill these assassin things, but you start,
Sure, right.
and I will. And then, so you start at the wooden sword, and then you go through all the levels until you go to where I am at the moment. And also, my buddy Mac here helped me to get to this level, so the credit goes to Mac. All goes to him. So he was really helpful. But now that I'm at level 365, I can one-hit this guy now, and I have the scythe. Damn, the scythe is pretty good. 100 million! Oh, guys, if you're wondering how I got the pets, it's 8 million. If you can see that red egg in the corner there, right where my cursor is. That's where I got it. Again, I'm still sick, yes. Really sucks. Because my voice, it just goes off.
Sergeant Millard, take charge of the prisoner! Get him right!
Mac, I'm coming to the werewolf because I need kills, a lot of them. Three. Oh, I can two-hit him! Kill him, kill him, kill him. Two. I can two-hit the werewolf. It is 50,000 to get in here. Really does take a lot of grinding, just saying. It takes a lot of grinding to do this. And Matt's going to the next area because he is better than me. He's level 450. How did you get to that level, Matt? How did you get there? That is very high level. Very, very high. Die! Again, we did do a lot of grinding off camera. Well, aka cheating off camera. 1 sec. Let me just get 150 so I can get radiation. Oh god. How? Oh, you have to kill that guy. I get it. You have to kill him.
I'll surrender nothing to that lying scoundrel.
It is not Cochise who lies. It is you.
No, I don't think he can one-hit me now.
I always found Cochise to be a mighty reasonable hombre. Why not turn his squaw loose? Maybe she can talk him into...
Let me try.
Straighten this mess up.
I'll go on him. Mac, let me kill him. Nice! What?
Donna, you take these words
I
to your
am.
husband. Tell him if he comes...
Can I one-hit the skeletons yet, or
If he
what?
refuses, I take my prisoners at
Nope, I can one-hit them.
It is one more trick to catch Cochise.
Let me explain it to
I
her.
have a crown, now I'm gonna whack people in the face.
Look, little lady. This white flag is big medicine.
Dun.
It means that Cochise will be safe, because Apaches and soldiers will stop fighting and make talk. Now, it's a sort of...
I understand white flag. But does he?
Sure he does. All soldiers must obey the white flag.
Okay, now I'm buying radioactive.
But I will...
Radioactive. Can I one hit?
Then I go.
Oh, come on. I can almost one-hit him, Mac. Oh, I can one-hit him, get in! Oh, sometimes I have to two-hit him, though.
Tell Cochise he must be patient.
Sad.
The lieutenant is new here, and he don't understand Apaches. Now off with you. And good luck to all of us.
Walk. Yes, one hit. Gimme. Whoa. Yeah. So what? Sometimes, guys, I can one hit him. Sometimes I can't. It's weird.
Soldiers have given Nola back to me. I give him his life.
I'm a very high level. We're killing things together. I hate anime. Screw anime. It's a very short sword. I can always one hit him. I just one hit him. Wow.
Remember, man.
Team. There is no guy named Team.
The young guard.
Three.
Watch out for treachery.
Oh, with a different guy. Oops. I knew that. Oh, come on! What level's the next damn sword? Next sword is 225.
We have lived at peace with your people.
Are you joking? Like the next sword, I can one-hit the werewolf.
Why do you accuse me of things that other Indians have done?
Sometimes I can one-hit him, sometimes I can't.
Why is this? Until a white boy and the Gilly Chiricahuas have turned over to me, I'm holding these prisoners.
Hit him in the butt. Huh. Oh, Mac, you're actually right. It does do more damage. Because I'm one-hitting him after and after again. Oh, Jesus Christ. Never mind.
For the last time! Release the Chiricahua prisoners and I will...
Oh, wait. He doesn't do any damage to me, so I'm fine.
There can be no more talk between us until Horde boys return.
They'll kill me if you don't, Lieutenant. They're prisoners you got. They're Cochise's brother and two of his cousins.
Say you can't let them kill Cohen. I'll handle this. Handle it, the devil. The Army's job is to protect the civilian population, not get them murdered. When we return to
As a guy tried to steal your things.
Cochise! That's
Oh,
Cohen himself.
great.
To be a lying
Is it the scammer?
scoundrel. I will have no more dealings with him.
Go away. Go away. A guy's trying to steal my stuff. The stealing... Mac, help me. This guy's...
I'll teach that red devil to respect.
Mac, help me. He's gonna kill me.
Hang those bitches.
Mackie's almost dead. Mackie's almost dead. Kill him. I'm not joking. He's almost dead. He's on red health. Oh, screw it. I'll kill him then. I killed him, Mac. It's okay. Mac, I killed him. You're not going to give me any credit for it, for killing the guy? Wait, what's his name? Is it Corina? Because if so, then I killed him. Go away! Mac, can you help me kill him? You can kill him. You just need some help.
The days and nights will be lonely without you, my wife.
When you are away, something dies in here. Let me go with you.
No. You must finish the new wiki up. Prepare yourself for the coming of our little one. Great spirit of the White Mountain. God well my wife, and our little one who's to come.
Go away. Jesus Christ, mate. Just go away. And take your troubles with you. You look.
Hear me, warriors of the Chiricahuas. Like snakes.
Mark, he's just raging.
Against us. They killed Little Elk, my brother. They killed Tubac, my cousin. They killed Deerfoot. Because of this, many White Eyes...
Maka killed him, so he said it. Nice.
Our women and children will remain in the stronghold.
Go away.
There they will be protected from the evil eyes of our enemies.
This guy? Mark, help me.
To come
This guy's gonna kill me.
as well as strong. Therefore, it is the Apaches who will choose the battle.
Hi.
We will fight them from
Ooh, got him.
behind rocks, in ravines, and in mountains.
Mark, can you help me? I'm almost dead, and
We will
some
not
guy's
put
trying to
down
kill
our
me.
weapons until they have been killed or driven from the
Oof.
land of the Apaches.
Come here. If he kills me, I don't care. He's at the werewolf. He's trying to kill me in the moment. I'm on such low health as well. Ah, damn it. He killed me. He rebirthed. I thought we made him rage quit, but no, he rebirthed.
The enemies of Geronimo are the enemies of Cochise.
Guys, if you ever do enjoy this game, never rebirth, it's terrible.
Soon all the tribes of the
You're joking. I can almost just one hit
White
him.
Eyes.
400,000 for the death aura, and the next sword is 150. But if I could hit him in the back, maybe he'd do more. Yeah. Damn it.
That isn't just Geronimo talking. That sounds like the whole Apache nation. But why? Maybe there's your answer, Major.
The death aura? Why? Oh, Matt, can I get the crown? Matt, can I get the crown again?
Cochise, Cochise! Sergeant! Sorry, sir, I'm under arrest. Where's the nation of the
Yeah.
All right, Luke.
Hi.
Let's have it. Major, you answer what's spoken to.
There, I got it.
Well, so the lieutenant ordered a party out to a meeting with Cochise to try to get Johnny Ward's kid back.
You're joking me.
Wife hostages, and that did it. Culver's dead, and 3
How much gems do you get off this? Jesus Christ, you get a lot. You get about a few thousand.
Yes, sir.
How dare you take a company of white men into the
Are you
Indian
sure?
country without a direct
Get
order?
out of here. Get out of
My
town.
responsibility, sir. It was Baylor's idea, sir.
Oh, Baylor, eh? The only reason I don't order an immediate court martial
Go
is
away.
because I want to be the real man I've got. Because by the looks of things, you and your friend Baylor have finally succeeded in bringing the whole Apache nation down around our ears. Now get to your quarters.
Yes, sir.
Get your sidearms and come with me.
Yes, sir.
You too, soldier.
I'll be seeing you, Baylor. Where are you going? You and your big ideas. Territorial government.
Hello.
Mr. Baylor, you're under
I don't believe we've actually got 13 minutes in.
Yes, sir. Colton, I warned you. I did what I should do.
I didn't actually see the time. I think that's gone a bit fast. I think time's going a bit fast. Yeah? Sorry, I just can't because there's a bunch of guys trying to kill me. Go away, help me. People are trying to kill me. Okay, yeah, what?
We went through your coat. Too bad. Take him to his quarters.
Mark, one sec, this guy's trying to kill me.
Young buck had to make a name for himself. Chiricahua.
Doesn't tell us much.
Mark, you sure? Are you sure that?
Be able to patch it up.
Are you sure that we have the best pets of the game,
Some
or
of the tribes.
does he have one? He has a different type of buddy.
Harley! Yes?
What?
I've got a job for you two.
You'll take
And how good is it?
You'll take K troop.